Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I want to do a quick decorate with me in my half letter size discbound planner. Now I've already laid down some stickers. I thought I was filming, but obviously I wasn't. So I'm using this full kit from DEK Designs, and let me tell you about the story about this particular planner. Now, there was not going to be a half letter size planner, but I love decorating my planners. And you all know that I'm doing a more minimal list type planner style in my personal rings. So it doesn't give me room for a lot of decoration. Now, I know you're saying it's my planner, I can do what I want to. But this season of my life, I'm going to be participating in more adult activity like business meetings and things like that. And it's a time and a place for everything. And sometimes having that cute, fun, decorative planner layout is not always appropriate for business. So I decided to print off some inserts that will allow me to still use my sticker kits. Now, I probably won't plan in this planner. But I will probably just decorate it because I love decorating planners. That's what got me into this planner community anyway. So we'll go back to the store. So let me go to this sidebar. So what I'm doing is just building my sidebar. And like I say, even though I'm not going to probably write in it, I'm still going to build it based on how I'm going to function my life. If for those that have been following me for a while, you know that I am a functional / decorative planner. So I create my spreads when I'm using deco, sticker kits, sticker books, whatever you want to use, based around my weekly schedule. And how I do that, I pre-plan. I write down everything, and so I can know that I need to have a area for this day, or area for this week, or whatever the case may be. So as you see me build this spread, you can kind of see how I am formulating it based on my week of February the 3rd through the 9th. And as you can see, because these boxes are a little bit smaller, I believe this kit I got for an Erin Condren, because you all know I did buy 2, 3. I bought a couple of Erin Condrens this year. Yeah, the waste of money, guys. But I'm here for y'all to learn from. Don't make the same mistakes that I make. But anyway, so these stickers actually fit very well. They are a little bit bigger than the boxes, but that doesn't bother me because, one, like I said, I'm just using this for deco. But even if I was using it to plan in, I still would use these sticker kits because who wants to waste these kits? So as you can see, I'm just kind of building down at the bottom, and I am using some foil stickers. So all of my foil stickers, even the date dots, they came from Planning City, in which I did used to PR for her shop last year, and she has some amazing foil stickers for an amazing price. So if you like a lot of shimmy, 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 shimmy in my Lisa Mac voice, and you don't want to pay a lot of money for them, and you want to be able to afford to have really nice foil stickers, go to Planning City. She always has a PR team, so if you go to her page, you can find her PR girls and use their discount codes if you want to save a little bit more. So back to kind of talking about how I plan using stickers. So like I said, I pre-plan, so that way, so say on a Tuesday, I know I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm not going to use a lot of decorative box stickers, or as we say, deco stickers. I will use more functional stickers, or I would just leave the space blank. So what is a functional sticker? Basically, it's blank, but it still has, what is a deco functional sticker? It's still got like a little bit of design or a little bit of color, but it allows you to have an area where you can write in without covering up all the decoration. And you'll see me lay some of those stickers throughout this Decorate With Me. So like I said at the beginning of the year, I wanted to be able to still do some of the things that you guys fell in love with this channel, and that is these type of spreads. I want to be able to offer you all a lot of different variety in regards to the planner side of my life, and as well I am incorporating some faith-based things as well. I haven't been doing a lot of videos. As you can see, I was MIA last week, and the reason is very, very, very exciting because your girl is finally opening up her own Etsy sticker shop. You heard it first here on YouTube. If you follow me on social media, then you already heard it on social media. But if you don't follow me on the gram or Facebook, you are hearing it first. CheKesha Simms and her husband have decided, because whatever I do, he does, and whatever he do, I do, because 1 + 1 = 1 in our world, okay? So we've decided to open up a sticker shop on Etsy, and it's called Scripts by LNC. LNC stands for Lorez and CheKesha. So this shop is near and dear to my heart because I am that girl that just does not like her own handwriting. And if I can get a sticker for everything that I write on a regular basis, that's what I want to do. So I know a lot of you have been asking, me to show y'all things or when I'm going to have my own shop and all of this and the third. And I've been practicing behind the scenes. I don't like to speak things openly until it has been fully nourished and watered. Like the seed, you can't pull from the seed if it hasn't harvested. So what do I mean by that? So the seed was planted into me to start working on stickers, and I had to practice and I had to learn. I had to feed and nourish that seed. I had to learn from other people, draw from other people. I had a lot of good counsel, a lot of good advice from some amazing shop owners that has helped me grow into my sticker design role. So I was able to finally figure out how to work the silhouette, how to do my cut lines, how to, print and cut the stickers, like all of that stuff. I wanted to make sure that, not that it was perfect, but it was perfected, because y'all know y'all be coming for these sticker shops real hard, and your girl, I'm super sensitive. Y'all come for me, my whole world might crumble. No, I'm just joking. But no, seriously, like I wanted to make sure that I had perfected it as much as I could before I put it out there to you all. So with all that being said, that's why I've been MIA. The launch date is on Valentine's Day, February the 14th. I will leave a link in the description box for my Etsy shop. Right now, it'll say vacation mode because, of course, it's not open yet. But make sure you go favorite the page. That way, when I open up, you'll be notified. So let's go ahead and get back to the spread. So as you can see, I'm adding some more foil headers from Planning City. And the reason why I decided to incorporate some foil is because I do like my spreads being shiny, and this kit did not have any foiling. I do believe they did have a foil option, but when you're getting the full sticker kits, they can get a little bit pricey, so you have to find ways to cut cost. And how I do that, I just order the foil headers and overlays and dividers from other sticker shops, which gives me a big savings. So if you're that girl like me that likes the shimmy, 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 shake your shoulders. Yes, that's my girl, Lisa Max. That's what she says. And that's my girl, so I can use it. So anyway, so if you're like me and you like to have that sparkly, shiny look to your spread, but you just don't want to pay $25 for a whole full kit, go to Planning City. I don't PR for her. I ain't no affiliate. I just love what I love. And when I love what I love, I'm going to send people to those places. So I'm just saying, if you need foil and you need good quality, go to Planning City. So again, I'm just laying out my spread based on how I would plan for the week. So as you can see, like on Monday, I have some things that I need to do. So I didn't want to take up all of that white space. And so right there, that's a decorative half box. It's not a functional sticker because it has decoration on it. Now I could overlay it or layer it with another sticker if I wanted to, but that's an example of a non-functional sticker. So now what I'm going to do is add some of these work stickers and meeting stickers because I do have a meeting on Thursday. And I do also like to incorporate the days that I work in the salon. So again, you're seeing the blueprint in regards to how I set it up for a week and still am able to make it look cute. I've never been a real plan with me YouTuber because I don't like to write. Like I told you, I'm making script stickers because I don't like my handwriting. But I don't write out my plans on film. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I really probably won't write in this planner. And I came to that conclusion because these kits are so gorgeous, and you know how like you hoard them because you're like, oh my gosh, they're so cute, I don't want to mess them up. This way I'll have all of my spreads with all of these lovely kits with no writing on them. And I could repurpose them. I know a lot of people say if you don't write in the spreads, you can repurpose them, but this will probably be like my decorate with me memory kit keeping planner. I just created a whole nother genre. My memory keeping kit planner. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Real simple, really pretty. And like I said, you know, even though these are Erin Condren size stickers, they still work perfect for me. Some things I don't stress about, like having the stickers overlap or any of those things. Some people are super like, no, my sticker need to fit in the box, but I done spent too much money on these sticker kits not to use them, so hey, that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish decorating these, but before I go, if you haven't already done so, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos, because you never know, you might get the exclusive first look at your girl stickers from Scripts by LNC, and make sure you go ahead and favor that shop. So I'll be right back to wrap this up, but I'm gonna go ahead and chill for a minute. All right, so we are all finished. I'm just adding some finishing touches with these super cute foiled gold bows from Paper Blush Bar. And I think you can actually find her on Etsy. So we're gonna go ahead and put her right back into the planner. Poof, there she goes. So if you have enjoyed this video, give me a big old thumbs up, and as well click that subscribe button and that notification bell. So until next time, loves, peace.